Do you struggle with English grammar? Do you find it confusing and difficult? You are not alone. Many English learners feel the same way. But here is the good news. Grammar does not have to be hard. Today, we will tell you an easy and effective way to improve your grammar. No boring rules, no memorization, just simple and practical methods that actually work. If you follow these steps, your grammar will improve naturally and you will feel more confident when speaking and writing in English. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Why is grammar important? Before we talk about how to improve grammar, let's understand why it is important. 1. Grammar helps you communicate clearly. If your grammar is good, people will understand you better. 2. It makes you sound professional. Good grammar is important for jobs, interviews, and business communication. 3. It builds confidence. When you know your grammar is correct, you feel more comfortable speaking English. 4. It improves your writing. Whether you are writing emails, essays, or social media posts, grammar makes a big difference. Now that we know why grammar is important, let's talk about how to improve it in the easiest way possible. Step 1. Learn grammar. Naturally. Many people try to memorize grammar rules, but that is not the best way. Instead, learn grammar naturally by listening and reading. How? Listen to native speakers. Watch English movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos. Notice how people use grammar in real conversations. Read English books, stories, and articles. When you see grammar in context, you understand it better. Use audiobooks. Listening while reading helps you see and hear grammar at the same time. The more you listen and read, the more you will absorb grammar naturally, just like a child learning their first language. Step 2. Focus on one grammar rule at a time. Many learners try to learn everything at once, but that can be overwhelming. Instead, focus on one grammar rule at a time. For example, one day, learn about present simple tense. I eat, she goes, they work. The next day, learn about past simple tense. I ate, she went, they worked. Take small steps, and soon, you will master grammar without feeling stressed. Step 3. Practice, practice, practice. Learning grammar is not enough. You must use it. The best way to improve is to practice every day. How? Speak in English as much as possible. Even if you make mistakes, keep speaking. Write short sentences or a journal every day. Start with simple sentences and slowly make them more complex. Do grammar exercises online. There are many free websites and apps where you can practice grammar. The more you use grammar, the more natural it will feel. Step 4. Learn from your mistakes. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes, but mistakes are good. They help you learn. What should you do? When someone corrects you, pay attention. Don't feel bad. Use it as an opportunity to improve. Write down your mistakes. Keep a notebook where you write common mistakes and their corrections. Try to correct yourself. When you notice a mistake, repeat the correct sentence to yourself. Every mistake you correct brings you one step closer to perfect grammar. Step 5. Think in English. One of the biggest reasons learners struggle with grammar is that they translate from their native language. This makes sentences slow and incorrect. The solution? Think in English. How? When you see something, describe it in English in your mind. Example, the sky is blue, or I am walking to the store. Try to answer simple questions in English without translating. Speak to yourself in English when you are alone. Thinking in English will help you use grammar naturally without hesitation. Step 6. Use simple sentences first. Some learners try to use complex grammar too soon, and this leads to mistakes. Start with simple sentences, then slowly make them more advanced. For example, start with, "She goes to school every day." Then, "She has been going to school every day for 5 years." Step by step, your sentences will become more advanced and correct. Step 7. Surround yourself with English. The more English you hear and use, the faster your grammar will improve. How? Change your phone's language to English. Listen to English podcasts while traveling. Join English-speaking groups or forums. Watch English YouTube videos, like this one. Immersion is the secret to mastering grammar effortlessly. Final motivation. You can do it. Many learners feel frustrated with grammar, but remember, even native speakers make mistakes. The key to improving grammar is consistency. If you practice a little every day, you will see progress. One day you will look back and realize how much you have improved. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, enjoy the process. What do you think about these tips? Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Would you like more tips on learning English? Stay tuned for the next lesson. Thank you for listening. Keep learning.